take you on a little shop tour. Welcome to Choates Coats. This is a 63 Nova, small block 350, 700 R4. Doing a wiring harness and did a bunch of seals on the engine and stuff. There's another 63 Nova we're doing, LS3 4L80. Here's the S10, and there's the body it's getting. It's a 50 Chevy. We're doing a full LS conversion and everything on this one. So overdrive transmission, power steering, power and brakes. That'll be a fun little project. Let me take you over to the other shop. Alright guys, right here we got a 71 Ford. It's got a 351. It's been stroked up to a 408. We're doing a Holly Sniper. Just finished up the full exhaust on it. It's all stainless bolts and everything in this thing. It came a long way since we got it. Another shop did all the suspension work on it, but the owner wanted us to finish it and so I can go through some wiring on it. There's exhaust. Here's the Pride and Joy. This is the 65 I've been working on. Basically a rotisserie frame up. There's all the stainless exhaust under that one as well. Spin Tech mufflers. Exhaust comes all the way out to the very tips on this one. There's all the wheel wells and headlights, and still finishing up a bunch of different things in the wiring. This one's basically every option you can possibly imagine. Power brakes, power windows, power antenna, the whole nine. Just finished up all the power windows on this one as well. Just did the door panels back on it. We're doing a decoded digital gauge cluster in it, and so yep, this is the shop tour. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope everybody has a good day. Catch you guys later.